You had a question?
Yeah, my question is that, like, I know that there are a lot of loopholes, governance, in the system, and the recent threat we have is right now is from the Mythos, from the cloud.
Sorry,
So,
from?
Mythos. It's
Mythos.
Mythos,
from
okay.
the cloud.
Yeah.
So how are we gonna handle that, like in the future? Like if that's how are we gonna handle that threat?
I don't know.
Okay.
I genuinely don't know. Again, I don't know how to answer that.
Okay.
We caught me there, right? So. Yeah, that's Copilot. So Copilot tells us, right? See, the problem is we have all these systems, right? Each of them generates something different. That's the issue. And again, it goes back to what kind of information they have, where they're getting it from, right? So I'll give you an example. Copilot, use Copilot for your risk register. How many have used Copilot for risk register? Okay. How many have used ChatGPT for the risk register? Okay. How many have used Infinity for the risk register? What do you see between the three? Are they all consistent?
I think the closest one would be Infinity because of the model which it uses.
Right? Because it's part of the project management, all the data that they have in there, all the information they have in there, related to project management. Right? So when you're going between Claude and Copilot and ChatGPT, is what is it that you're trying to achieve? A lot of people say, like I've talked to a few people, few people have rather used Claude than ChatGPT. Right? There's another one, I forgot the name of it, that actually gives you the reference. Oh my God, it starts with a P, I think. Perplexity, yeah. That actually gives you the reference. Right? When you ChatGPT, it'll give you a reference. If you put the document in there, it says, I got it from this doc, but it won't give you a reference where they got it from until you ask further and further. Right? So again, it depends what you're trying to do, what is it that you're trying to do, and what information you're trying to get, then again, you decide. But again, there's too many out there. There's too many tools out there that which one is the right one? That's the problem, right? Infinity, project management, Infinity, right? And I had a session in the symposium actually about Infinity, Copilot, and ChatGPT. We're under this assumption that I'm just gonna use ChatGPT. No. You want your risks? Use Infinity. You want to create a better project charter? Use ChatGPT. Right? You want your meeting minutes, your documentation from the meeting and whatnot? Use Copilot. So I think we need to start really combining these together